This is Michael Chapman here with Tryten Technologies, and we are showcasing today our brand new Lightning iPad cable security trap compatible with our Tryten iPad flip stand as well as our Tryten iPad lock and stand. The first thing you do is you insert your Lightning cable as such. Plug it in to the iPad, house it in position, slide the iPad on top, and then you lock it in place. Additionally, the iPad flip stand as well as the iPad lock-in stand comes with our Tryten security cable, which you attach to the back, and you're locked. Tether this to something secure, and you're all taken care of.